make sure you've preheated your oven to 180 degrees centigrade, that's 350 Fahrenheit, gas mark 4. And then once you've lined your flan dish with the pastry, lightly prick the base all over with a fork. And then you can use foil or baking parchment, but fit a piece large enough into the bottom of your flan case and then fill with baking beans. You can buy ceramic beans, or you can just use a mixture of any beans you happen to have in the cupboard. Spread it out evenly over the bottom and then bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the case from the oven and take out the paper with the beans. The pastry will be lightly browned on the edges and quite firm. And it's at this stage that if you're making a hot flan or quiche, that you can fill it with your raw mixture. If, however, you're going to be making a cold sweet flan, for instance with tinned or fresh fruit, then pop it back into the oven for a further 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely cooked, and then allow it to cool and you can fill it with your cold filling.